Hello children. In this video, we will be discussing a few questions for the revision of the annual exams which are starting very soon. So to begin with, the first question children is, through what angle measure does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 12 to 9? Now you know that when you talk about a clock, these are the four main heads that you count, and accordingly you can decide by how many degrees is it moving. Now it is asking for the hour hand of the clock turns through when it goes from 12 to 9. So from here, if it is moving, the hour hand of the clock takes, this is one right angle, two right angles, and three right angles. So the answer is three right angles. Basically, it will move three right angles. And when you are talking about the angle, then if one angle is 90 degree and you are moving three right angles, so the degree is 3 into 90 is 270 degrees. It is moving by 270 degrees. Okay, the next question is, what part of a revolution have you turned through? If you stand facing north, now when you talk about the directions, this is north, south, east, and west. It is saying that if you're facing towards north and you turn clockwise to face east, when you turn towards east and you are moving in a clockwise direction, then you are moving. There are four parts out of which you are moving only one part. So the fraction is 1 by 4 part. So the correct option is 1 by 4. Now, which of the following is false? The options given are minus 1 is smaller than minus 2. 79 is smaller than 89. Minus 1 is smaller than 1. And 1 is greater than 0. Now, if you look at this, there are two options in which you can say minus 1 is smaller than minus 2. It is not possible because minus 1 is greater than minus 2. It is the largest negative integer. 79 is greater than 89. This is also not possible. Minus 1 is smaller than 1. We always say that all negative integers are smaller than the positive integer. So this is the correct option because 1 is greater than 0. That is also. Now the question is, which of the following is false? Okay, so if you talk about it, then according to this, this is correct. It is smaller. 79 is smaller than 89. This is also correct. Minus 1 is smaller than 1. That is also correct. This is the only correct option which you can say that this is false. 79 is minus 1 is okay, so this way we can find out of the given four options, the options given are minus 1 smaller than minus 2, which is false. Minus 1 is not smaller than minus 2. So this is the correct option because it is asking for the false option. Rest all the three options are true. Okay, next is, which of the following is an expression with numbers only? There are no variables in it. The options given are x plus 1, 2x, 1 minus x, and 3. Now, this also has a variable, this also has a variable, this also has a variable. This is the only option which is having just one term and that too a constant. So, the correct option out of the four given is 3. Now, the fifth question is, construct with ruler and compass angle of 150 degree. Now, 150 degree basically it lies between 120 and 180. That means you will have to bisect angle 120 and 180. Now, to move up on the steps, this is question number 5. It says, we first draw a line, make a point on it, and through it we make a semicircle. Now, because it is a straight line, it is forming a 180 degree angle. Now, from this point, we make one arc, and we make another arc from here. Now this first arc is for 60, this second arc is for 120. Now you need to bisect 120 and 180 to get 30-degree more. So 120 plus 30 will make 150. Now putting your compass here, you make an arc this side. Put your compass at 180 and make one arc so that the two arcs are intersecting each other at a point. Now using a scale, join this point of intersection to this point from where you made the semicircle and extend it. Label it as A, O, B and then write angle A, O, B is equal to 150 degree. Now, how do you find out whether the angle is to be constructed? We have already discussed that all the angles which are multiples of 15 can be constructed using a compass. Now, because 150 is easily divisible by 15, 15 tens is 150, so 150 is constructed by a compass. Coming to the next question. Draw any line segment PQ. Let's move according to the directions given. Draw any line segment PQ. We name it as PQ. Then it says, take any point R not on it. We take a point here which is not on the line segment PQ. Then it says, through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ using ruler and compasses. Now, when you have to draw a perpendicular, from here, you put your compass here and you make a semicircle this way, so that the semicircle is intersecting this line segment PQ at 2 points. Now putting your compass here, you make an arc here and from here another arc. This point of intersection will be joined with point R and this is 90-degree angle. That means you can say that if you name this as RS, then RS is perpendicular to PQ. You can say that RS is perpendicular to PQ. Okay. Next is find the solution of the following addition using a number line. Now, how do we use a number line to find the sum? It is -2 plus 6. When we draw a number line, 0 is the neutral number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the other side, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Now the first number is -2. So from here we take a jump because the first number is -2. Now to this -2 we have to add 6. Whenever we add 6, the movement is toward the right side. So from here, the number is 6, so we'll have to take 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Mark the arrows and you write finally -2 plus 6 is equal to 4. The answer is 4. Coming up to the next question, which is, it says, mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is n. So we first write let the number of laddus be n. Okay, now it is saying these many laddus are given to the guest. Laddus, or we don't assume because it is already given in the question that the number of laddus given are n. So we write number of laddus given to the guests is equal to n. Then it says, how many laddus did she make if 5 laddus are still remaining? So we write number of laddus remaining. This is 5, which is already given in the question. So what will be the total number of laddus made? Total number of laddus made will be this much she gave to the guest, and these much are still remaining. So L plus 5. It will be L plus 5. Next question is, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 250 meter and breadth 175 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So we first write what is given in the question. It is question number 9, which is saying length of park is 25 to 50 meters, and the breadth of park or the width of the park is 175 meters. And the cost of fencing is also given. Cost of fencing is equal to rupees 12 per meter. Now we need to first find out the total length of fencing. So how do we find total length of fencing needed is equal to twice L plus B, that is 2 into 250 plus 175. That is 2 into 5. 7 and 5 is 12. 1 carat, 2, 3, 4, 425. And that is 850 meters. Now this much fencing is needed for the rectangular park. And the total cost of fencing will be, total cost of fencing is equal to 850 meters into rupees 12 per meter. Now this meter and this meter will cancel and the cost will come in rupees. 12 zeros are 0, 12 fives are 60, 0, 6 carat, 12 eights are 96 and 6, 70, 102. So this much is the total cost of fencing for the rectangular park. Then coming to one more question which says, the area of a rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 centimeter square. Area of cardboard. This is given to you as 36 centimeter square. And its length is 9 centimeter. Length is equal to 9 centimeter. What is the width of the cardboard? And find the perimeter also. Now to find the width, we divide the area by the length. That is 36 divided by 9, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we already have the length in the question and we have calculated the breadth. Now we can find out the perimeter of the cardboard. Perimeter of cardboard is equal to twice L plus B. That is 2 into 9 plus 4. That is 2 into 13, which is equal to 26 centimeter. So the total length of the cardboard is 26 total perimeter of the cardboard is 26 centimeter. That's all, children, for the revision. All the best to all of you. Thank you.